Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw double UK49, lunchtime and tea time. Prediction for 1st March Saturday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 8, number 11, number 14, number 21, number 28. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 8, number 11, number 14, number 21, number 28. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 22, number 25, number 32, number 33, number 36, number 40. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 22, number 25, number 32, number 33, number 36, number 40. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers. Number 7, number 21, number 34, and number 38. To lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 7 and number 21 and number 34 and number 38. Now tea time prediction for 1st March Saturday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 3, number 14, number 18, number 23, number 32. Now tea time single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 3, number 14, number 18, number 23, number 32. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 15 and number 28 and number 37 and number 39, number 41 and number 44. Today time second prediction number repeat. Number 15, number 28, number 37, number 39, number 41, number 44. Now tea time booster ball numbers. Number 18 and number 37 and number 43 and number 48. Today time bonus ball number repeat. Number 18, number 37 and number 43 and number 48. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction number. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification.